Welcome to the CryptoNest. All right, so Bitcoin did push higher. Now we're having a little bit of a correction. So the idea is still that we did an A, B, and 5-way up for C, for a bigger wave A in a circle in orange. We had, again, 3-wave down for the B wave. And now we are exploring this scenario here. Now I'm going to zoom in. Okay, so let me enlarge it. Okay, now I do have 2 counts and I'm a little bit perplexed. So I don't know if, well, I mean, the C wave technically has to be 5-way up, right? The yellow count, it kind of works. This is a wave 1. We had an A overshooting wave B and a C for the wave 2. Well, wave 2 was a little bit deep, but that's okay. After that, we had a third wave. Well, didn't reach the 1.386, but, it did pass the 1.236, so I can call it viable. Fourth wave as well, respected a fourth wave level, and it pushed higher. And it actually went 3 levels higher than this allegedly third wave. So I could count this as a fifth wave, and this could be now starting to be, I don't know, maybe this was, I'm going to call it maybe a diagonal here. No, can I say that? I don't know. Maybe I could say this is a 5-wave up and this is an A, it's going to be an B, and then 5-way up for the C. For this final B wave leg up, the other scenario that which is a little bit annoying, I must be honest with you guys, this could be an A, B, and a C, and creating a diagonal, and this is a circle 1 in light blue. Now we have an A, B, C for a wave 2, and now, I mean, that's crazy, yeah, but this is a A, this is the B, and this is a C. Actually, let me go and check the ratio of this level here. So let's double check. So the theory is that this could be an A, B, and C. It looks like it's going to go and make it. It does make the 1-to-1 ratio. Okay, so A, B, C for the third wave in light blue, and now we would be working into this fourth wave. I don't know if someone is messing up with my colors. Seriously, what's that? Just going to put it there. Okay, let me check here. 1 and 3. I don't know what's that. Let me remove it. All right, so we said theory from the bottom of this potential third wave to the top. I'm going to, take a reference this as the top of the third wave. I'm going to put the good color this time. I know the difference is because I don't watch my chart and update my chart every day. And this was quite of a while. I didn't open it. Well, yeah, for sure I opened to see the price and stuff like that. But there are other people that do 2-3 update per day. I find I just get drunk. For me, it doesn't fit my profile. Yeah, so that's why sometimes I feel, oh, what the hell is this, right? But just colors. And at the end of the day, you can see that, it doesn't really matter if you watch every day or 3 times or 5 times per day the chart. Is the, is the trends and the levels until they don't reach. What's the point of doing an update? Oh yeah, I think we're still going down. Oh, now we are at the MA 55 and is acting as a support maybe. This is I don't know. It's not my style. So what I was saying now? Ah, yeah, for this fourth wave. So we're going to go and monitor the levels here. So yeah, so now I'm saying it because I'm doing it. MA55 could act as a support. We have the 0.236. Let's see if price can hold there. Honestly, ideally, I would love if we could go here. We have a very nice resistance that can flip support, and we have the 0.32. So $70,066 would be great. Well, obviously, if we go way lower, I could add this one here, and no, I'm not going to start to mess up with colors. If we go lower than 68,424, then it starts to be unlikely that this is going to work out, and that we're going to see a fifth wave here. So let's see first if price can maybe push a little bit lower and hold at 70,000, and after that maybe we can calculate what could be a reasonable target. Now let's be unreasonable and let's do it anyway because it's fun, and mentally I want to prepare myself as well to where to start, maybe to start and take some profits. So we said 70k, setting for 1 and 3. Obviously this will not work because this is going to be the previous high or just slightly. So I'm going to remove the 0.386. I'm going to add several levels more, and as well I'm going to put it on no, I'm going to leave it there. And also here, if this is the third wave, 1 or 2 level higher would be the target, next target. So we are having, it is a little bit misleading. Let me put it on the right side and shrink it a little bit. So going to do that. It's kind of an approximation anyway. All right, so we said 1 or 2 level up, and ideally the 0.618. So let me draw a box here. So we said 1 or 2. All right, so this is going to be my beginning of my first taking profits, because I am fed up of seeing my Bitcoin just shrinking. Even though I took some profits higher up, but because I'm looking at the bigger picture, and let's face it, probability are that we're going to go this low and even lower. 34,000, it is a possibility. And I don't know, maybe this is just, I mean, there is a scenario here that some people draw, double check here, that I saw yesterday for the first time. It is interesting, by the way, this theory that this was an ABC, but this was not the fourth wave. This was just an A wave. Here we did a high B wave. Could explain why this cycle wasn't that explosive. I'm not sure about the. I need to think about it. And what was, if we do that scenario? So we would have gone to the 1.38 fib extension for this B wave, and now we would go lower. And so if this was the top, this was the A, put it here. And this was the top of the B wave. And then we want the C to the left side. Going to remove this one now. All right, so this would bring the price to $30,000 with that scenario. I mean, I cannot discard it, and I always welcome any kind of scenarios, honestly. I want to know, where is the third wave here? Disappeared. So the scenario is, this is the third, and the fourth would be somewhere here because we did a high B wave. And then, I mean, it is possible, but then I wouldn't go for the scenario where the C wave could reach the 1.618, $12,500. I wish it could go there, but honestly, I don't believe. If it goes there, man, I'm going to be disappointed, because at 30,000, pretty much I will, you know, fill up my bags. Even 40,800 would be an amazing level. So let me remove that now, because I don't wanna mess it up. But I do like the idea that this could be an A, this could be a B, and the C wave still going. Maybe it's now start to be too messy. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And as you can see, this is a really work in progress. When I do chart, I don't pre-do them. I am reasoning aloud with you guys, and well, let me think. Well, let me know what you think. And once again, well, it was a pleasure to do an update. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.